We are playing Space Invaders.
Never been in a hostel that has Space Invaders.
It's an actual game arcade one because it's got the slots for the money. Yeah, it's free. They've conned it here. Morning. So this morning we have woken up in Townsville, and our plan is to get the ferry over to Magnetic Island today, but it has just started raining. We were planning 7:45 ferry, and when we finished breakfast it's just started torrential raining out there. We're just gonna delay it a little bit because we have to walk half an hour to the ferry terminal, so yeah, we're just gonna wait for the ferry that's an hour later than what we were gonna get. I really like this picture. It's a kangaroo on the beach.
And I was going to try and steal it when we do.
No, I'm not. It won't fit in my bag, that's the thing. We've had a lot of thunderstorms lately because when we were on the Whit Sundays we had a really blasting thunderstorm, like, yeah.
Crocodiles probably love this.
Oh my gosh. On the way here yesterday.
Oh yeah, Annabelle was like, do they have alligators here? And literally she says that we passed this huge sign that said Alligator Creek.
Yeah, because we went over this like water and it looked really dirty and horrible, and it gave me crocodile vibes. Picnic day.
Oh yeah, time for a picnic.
Oh yeah, forgot to update. This is now Magnetic Island. We took the ferry over from Townsville. So hurrah. The next stop, we're in Arcadia.
Looking for rock wallabies.
Yeah, we're trying to be quiet. There's lots of rocks around, like that. And we're hoping to see some rock wallabies. But we haven't seen any yet. It's just a wild Lewis now in his natural habitat, checking out the rocks. In his element, wishing he brought his rock climbing gear to the other side of the world. We found our first rock wallaby. Oh, he dropped it, Lou. He dropped it. On a bushwalk.
Oh, sorry, this bit was warm. Yeah, it's a bit warm.
Yeah. Looking for koalas. Horseshoe Bay. It's so hot today actually. It's like 30 degrees, but now we're in tropical Queensland. It's just so humid. But yeah, there's not many people on this one beach we're on. So yeah, we're just chilling out until we can get the bus back and then the ferry back to Townsville. So yeah, not a bad way to spend a Tuesday afternoon with this absolutely beautiful view. Hey, what you got there, Lewis?
Sustenance, like you're trapped on a desert island. You need a great sustenance of the coconuts.
Oh, it's right inside.
Right, it is, what?
What does that mean?
Don't know.
The coconut is bleeding to death. Ew. Does it smell rotten?
Oh, it smells alright. Did we find out what's inside? Oh, I guess we know what's inside a coconut.
Ooh, is that the milk? Ew. It's probably like really old. The smell?
Doesn't sound bad.
Ooh, I can smell that. But that's what you would do in the wild if you needed to eat / drink, I guess. In a tropical rainforest. Chilling. There's where we stayed last night in a little tree house. Yeah, but can you hear all the insects and wildlife in the trees? So loud. Pack and going.
Not great. Got a few too many things.
Oh, on the move once again. Where are we off to next?
Oh, nowhere actually. We're kind of just going upstairs and waiting for a bus because it's a 3-hour walk to where we need to go. So we're just going to wait for 3 hours.
Yep, but we've got a bus to Cairns this evening, 6 o'clock. It's only a 2-hour bus journey, which is a lot better. So yeah.